is a 2023 JAMB pass question, and most JAMB questions are not really hard. But first, before you answer any question or attempt any question, you have to know the topic the question is from. So, to better attempt the question. So, the first question says, what is the general term of the sequence? This is probably from AP as arithmetic progression or geometric progression as GB. So what is the general term for the sequence 3, 8, 13 and 18? This is more of an AP question, merely looking at it. You see, for 3 to turn into 8, you have to add 5. For 8 to turn into 13, you have to add 5. And for 13 to turn into 18, you have to add 5. So from there, it's an AP question. And we'll start with our first term, which is represented by A. A is 3. Our common difference is 5 or plus 5. Then general formula can be derived from the basic formula, which is A plus into bracket n minus 1d. Your A will always be constant, it doesn't change, and your D never changes, but your N can change. The value of the term, that's the particular term we are on. On this, the third term, on this part, the third term is 13. The fourth term, that's N4, is 18. That can change, but the first term is always 3, and the common difference is always 5. We'll go back into solving the question. So for us to create it, general term for the sequence, your A is 3 plus your N can change, so your N is still your N, and your D is 5 or plus 5. Next you do is you open the bracket, you multiply the N and the minus 1 by 5, so N times 5, then 5 times minus 1. We therefore have 3 plus n times 5, that's 5n, then minus 1 times 5 plus 5 is still minus 1. Next we'll do is we'll collect like terms. That's you can start with the 5. If you're looking at the answer, you would see that the one with the 5 starts first, so the 5 has a plus, so we can write 5n. Then the 3, since the sinus sign is written as a plus and the 5 has a minus, you write 5n plus 3 minus 5. 5n, you have 3 pencils, you're owing 5. By the time you pay back, you still be owing 2. So 5n minus 2. Your final answer is 5n minus 2, which is A. A is the correct answer for this particular question.